Today we will discuss here the topic the principle of mathematical induction. So firstly we have to discuss the definition of mathematical induction, then prove the definition in example of mathematical induction. So its definition is: suppose there is a given statement P of n involving the natural number n such that it contains two statements. Number 1, the statement is true for n is equal to 1, that is P of 1 is true. And number 2 statement, if the statement is true for n is equal to k, where k is an positive integer, then the statement is also true for n is equal to k plus 1. So, the principle of mathematical induction says that it is true for n is equal to 1, and then we have to prove for n is equal to k, and if it is true for n is equal to k, then its statement is also true for n is equal to k plus 1. So, we have to take now its example here. So this example is: use principle of mathematical induction to prove that the given question is 1 plus 3 का square plus 3 raised to power n minus 1 is equal to 3 raised to power n minus 1 upon 2 for all n belongs to n. So its solution, we have to find out the solution of principle of mathematical induction. So let's start. We have to prove that 1 plus 3 का square plus 3 raised to power n minus 1 is equal to 3 raised to power n minus 1 upon 2. This is the first equation. So for n is equal to 1, taking left hand side, this is called LHS. So 1 plus 3 का square plus 3 raised to power 1 minus 1, which is equal to 3 raised to power naught, is equal to 1. 1 is equal to LHS. So now we have to taking right hand side. So RHS is equal to 3 raised to power k minus 1 upon 2. Put k is equal to 1. So 3 raised to power 1 minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. 2 upon 2 with by cancelling is equal to 1. So is equal to RHS. So RHS is equal to LHS. Right hand side is equal to left hand side. Then assume that result first is true for n is equal to k. Therefore 1 plus 3 का square plus 3 raised to power k minus 1. Here at the place of n put n is equal to k. For n is equal to k, then we have to put n is equal to k here. Then it becomes 3 raised to power k minus 1 is equal to 3 k minus 1 upon 2. So this is the solution for n is equal to k. Now we have to prove for n is equal to k plus 1. So let's start. For n is equal to k plus 1, 1 plus 3 का square plus 3 raised to power k minus 1 plus here 3 put here at the place of k is equal to k plus 1 minus 1, then cancelling, then it becomes minus 1 upon 2. So here this becomes 1 plus 3 का square plus 3 raised to power k minus 1 plus 3 raised to power k is equal to 3k minus 1 upon 2. Then here adding 3 raised to power k both side. Here 3 का स्क्वायर प्लस 3 raised to power k minus 1 plus 3 raised to power k, adding it on right hand side, so it becomes 3 raised to power k minus 1 upon this k minus 1, this one is upon 2 into 3 raised to power k, then it becomes 1 plus 3 का square plus 3 raised to power k is equal to, taking LCM of this, this becomes LCM, it's 2, then 3 raised to power k minus 1 plus 2 into 3 raised to power k, this becomes therefore 1 plus 3 का square plus 3k is equal to 3k plus 1 minus 1 upon 2, which by comparison with result first. So here we have to show that the result is true for n is equal to k plus 1. So by method of mathematical induction, result is true for all n belongs to n. So in this way we have to prove the question of mathematical induction.